What are you doing with all my atoms?
What are you talking about? You crazy!
No, you're crazy. That's my first postulate of the atomic theory, is that all matter is made of atoms, and they're invisible.
Ew, get the atoms off, get the atoms off!
Silly, you can't get the atoms off, because they're indestructible.
Oh, tell us more.
Alright, I will. Here, put that down.
Okay.
Let's look at these two identical atoms. Since these two atoms are identical, they will have identical masses. That is my second postulate of the atomic theory. Have a look-see.
Wow. They do weigh the same.
Of course they do. I've been telling you this all along. So, here, let me show you this. My third postulate of the atomic theory is that now if two or more different types of elements combine, they form a compound. So,
what's a compound look like?
I was just about to show you.
Oh, thinking ahead. ESP over here.
ESP, yes. Okay, so let's say this was one atom of oxygen, and this was two atoms of hydrogen. They would form together and combine to become water.
Do we drink that?
Yeah, you do.
No way.
Yeah, yep, it is a way.
How many postulates do you have?
Well, I actually have 4. Yes, 4. I have 4 postulates. So, I'll tell you my last one. My last postulate is that a chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms. And that would be something like this. Say, let's pretend, this was an atom of Na, or sodium, and these were 2 atoms of chlorine, and then they would combine to make sodium chloride. And that is, in a reaction, all the atoms in there are changing. So, now...
Well, thanks for teaching us, but who are you?
I'm John Dalton.
John Dalton was born in 1766. He was an English chemist who came up with the 4 postulates of the atomic theory. In his idea, chemical combinations take place between particles of different weights, whereas before him, the Greek philosophers thought that particles were equal in weight.
We learned about you in chemistry.
Oh, did you? Well, did you learn about my billiard ball model?
No, what is that?
It pretty much is that I have discovered that the atom is like a circle or a sphere. And it may even look something like this soccer ball.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah, it is. And I am impressed with how much you guys want to learn. So, I will tell you my greatest achievement ever.
What is it?
Well, it's simply this. The law of multiple proportions.
Would you care to explain?
Sure, I would explain to you. The law of multiple proportions is that elements combine in fixed ratios, and they cannot combine in anything other than those fixed ratios that I discovered.
Wow.
Yeah.
Blew my mind.
Well, toodaloo, I gotta go back to the past. Back to the past! Wee! Wee!
Whoa, that's a crazy dream.
What are we learning about?
Since you guys are sleeping, what are we learning about?
Oh, I think we're learning about John Dalton?
How'd you know that?
Well, we're just like scientific enthusiasts.
Alright, well since you were sleeping, here are John Dalton's 4 postulates. Dalton's 4 postulates. His first one says that all matter is made of atoms. Atoms are visible and indestructible. The second postulate says that all atoms are identical in mass if they are the same element. The third postulate says that compounds are formed by a combination of 2 or more different atoms. And the last one says that a chemical reaction is a chemical rearrangement of the atoms.
We knew that, and we knew multiple Equal proportions. That is when chemical elements combine, they do so in a ratio of small to whole numbers. In your face, teacher.
Good job, Josh.
And Alicia, we're a powerful team. One, no, go. Go, go. No, no, go inside. Angry dog. Don't like that. Now you go inside. I see how it is. Possessed. Okay. So that's how close you can get, and then it'd be like,
Yeah.
with the face thing.
Yeah. For teaching us, but who are you?
I'm John Dalton. Edge. That's my first postulate of the... Yeah. Can you even see that?
Yeah.
Is my whole face there?
Yeah.
Okay. So, like, did you start it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm John Dalton. Then you pause it. Well, I'm kind of impressed with your guys' want to learn, so I'm going to tell you my greatest achievement ever. And my toodaloo, I gotta go back to the past.
Have one. We will miss you, Sir John.
I'm sure you will. Ready?
Yes.
Back to the past. Wee wee. Okay. Good?
Mm-hmm.